S3 is a manufacturer. We serve the industries in mining, oil and gas, automotive, but we're most at home in agriculture. We manufacture farm equipment and components of farm equipment. S3 has chosen Alberta for our 6th manufacturing facility. What we're doing in Alberta is we're going to be manufacturing air systems, pneumatic systems, moving materials with air. So the 2 predominant types of product that we'll be building here will be aeration fans and OEM blowers, predominantly for air seeders and other manufacturers' equipment.
I had the opportunity to meet with S3's team earlier this year, and they have a very community-focused philosophy. Their values are so aligned with the cities and mine, and they're going to be an amazing asset to our community.
S3 has some big goals. We plan to grow pretty aggressively in the next few years, and being in Alberta supports our goals by giving us access to market. We are in the heart of a vibrant agricultural community. There is access to trade corridors, commercial airport, but the most important reason why Alberta supports our goals is because of the access to talent. There are some incredible people in this province, and having the opportunity to employ them in S3 is the only way we're going to achieve our goals. When we decided to choose an expansion location, we were looking for a location somewhere in Western Canada. We went out on an anonymous tour, trying to find communities that had similar values, that had strong resourcing, specifically of talent and support networks. And hands down, Medicine Hat provided the best opportunity for us. This particular facility is quite amazing in that it's located on the trade corridor, the number 1 and number 3 highways, and it gave us the opportunity to pull in a pretty high-powered workforce.
S3 presents such an amazing opportunity and milestone for Medicine Hat's local economy and our regional economy. Not only does it bring jobs in the manufacturing sector, so we'll have the immediate benefit of the employment opportunities, but help others to know that we're a good place to do business in those industries. There's also the benefit of potential knowledge sharing as we continue to grow our partnership with them, and they expand their partnerships within the community. So we're really looking forward to all of the knowledge and all of the growth that we as a city can see because S3 Group has selected us as their home.
Well, we plan in Alberta to start off pretty small. We'll start off with about 12 to 15 employees at this facility, but within the next 3 to 5 years, we expect that there will be 100 people employed out of this facility. That will include careers in manufacturing, so fabrication, welding, painting, and assembly, careers in administration, accounting, marketing, but also in engineering. We anticipate that we will be opening up an engineering center of excellence here in Medicine Hat. At S3, sustainability is built into everything we do. We have a long-term vision of our company that's tied to one of our core goals, and that goal is creating an organization where our high-performing children will want to work. We look at our business as multi-generational. We want to make sure whatever we're doing, whether it's our environmental footprint, whether it's pay equity, whatever we're touching in our communities, that we're doing it in a way that has a long-term vision because we want to be around for the next 60 years.